Hey, can I ask you something honest? Do you have something to do right now? Something important? But you are watching this video instead?
Yes, we see you.
Don't worry, don't close the video, because today, this video will help you. We are going to talk about exactly that feeling, that I will do it later feeling.
And by the end of this video, you will have 4 simple tricks, easy tricks in simple English to help you start today, not tomorrow.
So stay with us. This video is for you. Let's go.
Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Jack.
And I am Julia. We are so happy you are here today. Really, so happy.
This channel is your cozy place. We speak slowly, we use simple English, and we talk about real life, real feelings.
If you are new here, hello, welcome. Please click subscribe right now. It is free and it helps us so much.
And if you are coming back, welcome back, friend. We missed you.
Okay, today's topic is very, very relatable. Relatable means you know this feeling. You say, yes, this is me.
Today we talk about how to stop procrastinating.
Big word. Let's say it slowly together. Procrastinating.
One more time. Procrastinating.
Good job. Don't worry about the word. We will explain everything, step by step, nice and slow.
Julia, before we explain the word, let me ask you something.
Yes, ask me.
This morning, did you procrastinate?
Maybe.
Tell us. Tell the people.
Okay. This morning, I needed to answer one message. One simple message. Very short.
And
I opened my phone. Then I saw a photo, a cute photo. Then I saw a video, a funny video. Then another video. Then I was hungry, so I made tea. Then I sat down. Then I remembered, oh, the message.
how much time passed?
45 minutes.
45 minutes for one message.
Yes, that is procrastinating.
Okay, everyone, be honest with yourself right now. Did something like this happen to you today? Or this week?
Write in the comments, yes, this is me. Or, no, I never do this.
We want to see your answers, and don't worry, if you said yes, you are completely normal. We all do this.
All of us, even right now sometimes.
Okay, let's make it very simple. What is procrastinating?
Procrastinating is this. You have something to do, you know you must do it, but you say, not now, later.
And later becomes very late.
Or sometimes, never.
It is not laziness. This is important. Procrastinating is not the same as lazy.
No, lazy means you don't care. Procrastinating means you care, but you are stuck. You can't start.
You want to do it, but something inside says, wait, not yet.
That feeling, that stuck feeling, that is procrastinating.
Say the definition with me. Procrastinating is waiting too long to do something important.
One more time. Procrastinating is waiting too long to do something important.
Good. Remember that.
Okay, Jack. Now, why? Why do we procrastinate? Why can't we just start?
Good question. 3 reasons. Simple reasons. Real reasons.
Reason number 1.
The task feels too big. You look at the task and think, this is so much. I don't know where to start. So you don't start at all.
You feel small. The task feels huge, like looking at a very big mountain, and you think, I can never climb this.
So you sit at the bottom and you wait.
That is reason 1. The task feels too big.
Reason number 2, you are afraid. Afraid to make mistakes. Afraid to do it wrong.
So you think, if I don't start, I can't fail.
Yes, waiting feels safe, but waiting doesn't help. The fear gets bigger, not smaller.
The longer you wait, the more scary it feels.
Exactly. And reason number 3, you are waiting for the perfect moment.
Oh, yes, this one is me. I will do it when I feel ready. I will do it when I have more energy. I will do it when I am in the mood.
And that moment?
Never comes.
Never comes. Exactly. There is no perfect moment. The best moment is now. Always now.
Everyone, which reason is you? Reason 1, the task is too big. Reason 2, you are afraid. Reason 3, you wait for the perfect moment.
Write your number in the comments. 1, 2, or 3. Or maybe All three.
All three is also a very valid answer. Okay, now, the part you are waiting for. How do we stop procrastinating?
Tip number 1. This is my favorite, my absolute favorite. It changed my life, really.
That is a big statement, Jack.
I know, but I mean it. Tip number 1 is called the just 5 minutes trick.
Just 5 minutes. Tell us.
Okay, it is very simple. When you don't want to start something, you say to yourself, I will do this for just 5 minutes.
Only 5 minutes.
Not 1 hour, not all day. 5 minutes. That's it. That's the deal.
That feels small. That feels easy.
Yes, 5 minutes is not scary. Your brain says, okay, I can do 5 minutes, and you start.
And then what happens?
Most of the time, you keep going because starting is the hardest part. Once you start, it gets easier. Your brain wakes up, you get into it.
The first step is the hardest. After the first step, you just walk.
Exactly, you just walk. So, let's practice. Say it with me, everyone. Just 5 minutes.
Just 5 minutes.
When you don't want to start, just 5 minutes.
I use this trick every week. When I don't want to exercise, I say just 5 minutes, and then I do 20.
Because your brain relaxes. Your brain thinks, oh, only 5 minutes? Okay, fine. And then you are already doing it.
The trick works on your own brain.
A friendly trick for your own mind.
Everyone, try this today. After this video, pick one task, just one, and say just 5 minutes. Then write in the comments, I tried it, or it worked. We want to hear from you.
Tip number 2. Remember the big mountain?
Yes, you feel small. Mountain feels huge.
Tip 2 is, don't look at the whole mountain. Look at one small step. Just the next step.
Break the big task into small pieces.
Yes, small pieces. For example, you need to write a long email. Don't think about the whole email. Think about one thing only. I will write just the first sentence.
Just one sentence. That is easy.
Yes, then the second sentence, then the third. Before you know it, the email is done.
Small steps, one at a time.
Small steps, one at a time. That is the secret.
So the mountain doesn't get smaller, but your steps get possible. You climb one rock at a time.
Beautiful. Yes, one rock at a time.
Everyone, think of one big task in your life right now, something you are waiting to do. Can you break it into 3 small steps? Write it in the comments. My task is, and my first small step is...
We will read every single one, and we will cheer for you.
Tip number 3. Jack, what is a distraction?
A distraction is something that takes your attention. Something that says, look at me, not your work. Look at me.
Like your phone.
Yes, especially your phone. Social media, videos, messages, these are very powerful distractions.
You pick up your phone for 1 minute, and then 30 minutes are gone.
Poof, gone, just like that.
So tip 3 is, when you need to work, put your phone far away.
Not next to you, not on the table, far away. Another room if you can.
There's a beautiful English expression, out of sight, out of mind.
Out of sight means you can't see it. Out of mind means you don't think about it.
When you can't see your phone, you forget about it. Your brain focuses on the work.
Say it with me. Out of sight, out of mind.
Out of sight, out of mind.
Good. Remember that expression. It is very useful in real English conversation.
I do this myself. When I study, phone goes in the kitchen, far away. I can't see it, and I work much better.
Yes, it really works. Your brain is not perfect. If the phone is there, your brain wants it. If the phone is gone, your brain focuses.
Help your own brain. Remove the distraction.
Everyone, what is your biggest distraction? Phone, TV, food, music, social media? Write in the comments. My biggest distraction is... Let's be honest together.
Okay, last tip. Tip number 4. And this one is the most fun.
Oh, I love the fun tips. What is it?
Tip 4. Reward yourself.
Reward means give yourself something nice, a small gift, a little treat.
After you finish a task, you give yourself something you enjoy.
For example, after I reply to my emails, I will have a coffee and a biscuit.
Ooh, biscuit. Nice reward.
Or after I clean my room, I will watch 1 episode of my show.
Or after I study for 20 minutes, I will take a walk outside.
Your brain loves rewards. When a reward is waiting, your brain works harder to get there.
It is like a finish line. You run because you can see the end.
Exactly. The reward is your finish line.
And the reward doesn't have to be big. Very small is okay. Tea, a snack, a short rest, a funny video.
Small reward, big motivation. Say it with me.
Small reward, big motivation.
Work first, reward after. That is the order, always.
Work first, reward after.
Everyone, what is your favorite reward? What would you give yourself after finishing a task? Write it in the comments. I want to steal some ideas.
Same. I need new reward ideas. Okay, let's go through all 4 tips together, nice and slow.
Tip 1, just 5 minutes. When you don't want to start, say just 5 minutes and begin.
Tip 2, small steps. Don't look at the whole big task. Look at one small step, one rock at a time.
Tip 3, remove distractions. Put your phone away, out of sight, out of mind.
Tip 4, reward yourself. Work first, reward after. Small reward, big motivation.
4 tips, all simple, all real. You can use them today, right now, after this video.
Can you remember all 4? Let's test. Close your eyes for 3 seconds. Think of all 4 tips. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. Open your eyes. If you remembered them, you are doing great.
Okay, let's do a little practice now. A real English conversation. Listen and repeat if you want.
Giulia, I have a problem. I need to study English, but I don't feel like starting. What do I do?
Easy. Use tip 1. Say to yourself, just 5 minutes. Open your book, set a small timer. 5 minutes only.
Just 5 minutes. Okay, that sounds possible.
And remove your distractions. Phone away, TV off. Out of sight, out of mind.
Phone away. Got it.
And after you study, give yourself a reward. Maybe a snack, maybe a short rest.
Work first, reward after.
Exactly. You can do it.
Thank you, Giulia. Okay, everyone. Did you follow that conversation? Can you use those phrases today?
Try it. Pick one task. Start for just 5 minutes. Remove your distractions. Reward yourself after.
And write in the comments, what task will you start today? Even one word is okay. Just tell us.
Okay, beautiful people. That is our video for today. You did great. Really.
You watched, you listened, you learned. That is already not procrastinating.
That is true. You are already winning.
Let's remember the 4 tips one last time. Tip 1, just 5 minutes. Tip 2, small steps. Tip 3, remove distractions. Tip 4, reward yourself.
Simple, easy. You can do this. I believe in you.
And I believe in you too. You are watching an English video. You are learning, you are growing. That is amazing.
One small step is still a step forward. Never forget that.
Now, go do that one thing, that one small task. Just 5 minutes. We will be here cheering for you.
And before you go, please click the like button. It helps us reach more learners like you.
And subscribe if you haven't yet. We make new videos every week. Simple English, real conversations, real life.
This is your cozy place. No stress, no rush. Just learning together.
We will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you soon.